Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off history in Chrome Android. So in the first step, open the web browser and go to the My Activity, Google. Select the Google site and open it. Now click on the Web and App activity and swipe down to the Turn Off button. Just tap on it and select Turn Off with 1 step or 3. If you want to delete also the activity, choose second option. Tap on the Next, select the applications, so select the Chrome and choose Next. Now delete your history or not, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.